Many people see mathematics as a fundamental language of the universe, reflecting a divine order in creation. This view suggests that the mathematical principles governing the universe, such as laws of physics and geometry, are a reflection of God's design and intelligence. The precision and consistency found in mathematical laws are often seen as evidence of a divine creator who designed and sustains the universe according to some religious perspectives. Here are 25 words that describe the subatomic quantum realm. 1. Spooky. Photons are spooky. That's what makes them so cool. They exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. 2. Universe and the galaxy and intergalactic. 3. Physicists. Physicists study the fundamental laws of nature and the universe. 4. Mathematical. The laws of physics are mathematical. They can be described by a set of equations. 5. Physical. The physical laws of the universe are constant. They are the same everywhere, and they never change. 6. Geometry. Geometry is the study of shapes and spaces. 7. Space. Space is infinite. It has no beginning and no end. 8. Superdimensional. There are more than 3 dimensions. We just can't see them. 9. Hyperdimensional. We live in a 3-dimensional world. We can move forward and backward, left and right, up and down. 10. Cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the origin, evolution, and structure of the universe. 11. Realm. The quantum realm is a strange and mysterious realm where the laws of classical physics break down. 12. Tiny. Everything is made of tiny particles that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. 13. Wave. Waves are disturbances that transfer energy without transferring matter. 14. Quantum. The quantum realm is the realm of atoms and molecules. 15. Universe. The universe is everything. It is all of space and time and matter and energy. 16. Technology. Technology has allowed us to explore the quantum realm. 17. Physics. Physics is the study of the fundamental laws of nature and how they govern the universe. 18. Rectified. The path of an object is called its trajectory. 19. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the force that causes electric currents and magnetic fields. 20. Quantum information theory. Quantum information theory is a branch of physics that studies the properties of quantum systems that can be used to store and process information. 21. Quantum states. A quantum state is a mathematical description of a quantum system. 22. Dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up a large part of the mass of the universe. 23. Warp. Space can be warped by gravity. This warping of space is what causes the bending of light around massive objects. 24. Starlight. Starlight is the light that comes from stars. 25. Ascension. Ascension is the process of becoming enlightened or awakened. Quantum states. And there you have it. 25 words that describe the subatomic quantum realm. Do you know any other words that could be used to describe this fascinating topic? Share your thoughts below. Quantum information theory. This is a framework that can be used to quantify the amount of information contained in a quantum state. Electromagnetism. This is a force that can be described by a vector potential in 5 dimensions. When we examine the laws of nature, e.g., the law of gravitation or Coulomb's law of electric charge, we quickly discover that they are based on mathematics and that they model how God has chosen ordinarily to govern the universe, not how he must govern it. The laws of nature are descriptive, not prescriptive. The fact that nature can be described mathematically has been a continuing surprise to those who cannot think beyond their presuppositions of materialistic naturalism. They have difficulty explaining why there is a connection between physical reality and abstract mathematics. The fact that there is indicates that the universe is more than the sum of its parts and is the product of intelligent thought, communication, with angels. Practitioners of angelic magic believe in the existence of angels as divine beings with specific attributes and powers. They seek to establish contact or communication with angels to gain spiritual insight, guidance, protection, or assistance in their personal or magical pursuits. Rituals and invocations. Angelic magic often involves elaborate rituals, invocations, and prayers that are designed to invoke the presence and blessings of angels. These rituals may include the use of specific symbols, incense, candles, and consecrated tools. Angel names and hierarchy. In angelic magic, angels are often categorized into a hierarchical structure with specific names and attributes. Practitioners may work with angels associated with specific virtues, planets, or aspects of life. If you like this video, please share and like. Comment your thoughts. Attributes of God are reflected in mathematics. The 99 names of Allah in Islam. In Islam, Allah has 99 names that describe His attributes, such as Ar-Rahman, the compassionate, and Al-Alim, the all-knowing. These names help to understand God's nature, but no one name can fully encapsulate the divine essence. The 100th name is sometimes said to be hidden and known only to God. Peace and love. Enjoy your day and be blessed. Here are 25 subatomic quantum realm words, starting with A, going down to Z. A is for spooky. The quantum realm is full of spooky action at a distance. B is for photons. Photons are the particles of light that carry electromagnetic energy. C is for physicists. It takes some pretty smart physicists to understand the quantum realm. D is for mathematical. The laws of the quantum realm are best described by mathematical equations. E is for physical. The quantum realm is both spooky and physical. F is for geometry. Geometry helps us understand the shapes and patterns in the quantum realm. G is for space. Space is big, and the quantum realm is even bigger. H is for superdimensional. The quantum realm has more dimensions than we can perceive. I is for hyperdimensional. We can explore the quantum realm through hyperdimensional portals. J is for cosmology. Cosmology helps us understand the origins and evolution of the universe. K is for realm. The quantum realm is a place where anything can happen. L is for tiny. The particles in the quantum realm are incredibly tiny. M is for wave. Particles in the quantum realm exhibit wave-like properties. N is for quantum. The quantum realm is governed by the laws of quantum mechanics. O is for universe. Our universe is just one of many that exist in the quantum realm. P is for technology. Technology allows us to probe the mysteries of the quantum realm. Q is for physics. Physics is the study of the physical laws of the universe. R is for rectified. The path to enlightenment can be rectified by understanding the quantum realm. S is for electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is one of the fundamental forces of the quantum realm. T is for quantum information theory. Quantum information theory is a relatively new field that studies the properties of quantum information. U is for states. Quantum states are used to describe the properties of particles in the quantum realm. V is for dark matter. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up a large part of the universe. W is for warp. The fabric of space-time can be warped by gravity. X is for starlight. Starlight is the light that comes from stars in the universe. Y is for ascension. Ascension is the process of rising to a higher state of consciousness. Z is for awakening. Awakening is the state of being conscious of the true nature of reality. And finally, AA is for speck of light. A speck of light can be a metaphor for the divine spark within each of us. And there you have it, 25 subatomic quantum realm words from A to Z. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.